Hello everybody, this is Dr. Milligan. I am coming to you with your week 3 video for Excel Technology Course Tech 122. This is for the week of September 2nd through the 6th. Monday the 2nd is actually a school holiday, so we don't have school that day. So I know you're excited about that. On the board, you will see my contact information. If you need me, feel free to either contact me by phone, email, or come and see me during office hours. Hopefully, your Class Connect schedules are fixed and that we can get back to our regular hours, which my regular hours are on the board there. Come and see me if you have questions. If these times will not work for you, please let me know and we'll set up a time that will work for you. So let's see what is happening this week. So now we are in the month of September and this is the Tech 122 Excel. I always look at mine with the month view. You may not like to do that. You may prefer it on a weekly view, whatever. But this week, essentially, you are finishing up Unit 2. And so on the 3rd, your training is due, and those are graded, so please make sure you get those done. Then you have your exam on the 4th, and on the 5th, your project is due, and then the 6th, we start on Module 3. So, one of the things I wanted you to be aware of is how the lessons are laid out. Most of you have figured this out, and I'm really impressed with how you've done so far. Hopefully you've got a rhythm going and you kind of say, oh, I know what I need to do now. But let's go to Unit 2. Let's go to Content. I may have to change my screen a little bit. There we go. So I'm in Module 2 right now, so let me scroll down a little bit. So let's say in Module 2 for my project, I have to apply a theme. So I'm just going to click on it, and it's going to take me outside the total view, outside of the OLS into the Cengage website. And it's going to look, something kind of like this, and then it will take you directly to what you clicked on. And notice there is a video that will tell you exactly how to change the theme.
Click the Page Layout tab on the ribbon.
So one thing that may be confusing you guys a little bit is the examples they give you may be a tiny bit different from what you're doing in your project, but I think you guys can figure out what they're asking you to do. Excuse me. So at any rate, there is a video that shows you how to do all of these wonderful things. So if you're having trouble, make sure you go back and watch the lessons. They're not very long. Okay, so let's go back to our plan. Let's go to September again. So here is your week for September 3rd. If you have any questions, again, feel free to come and see me. This is my contact information again. Let me move my frame over just a little bit. And again, I'm very happy and very pleased with how well you're doing. Keep up the good work and come and see me if I can ever help you. Thank you.